Abhi is here from Enjoystar Food. As usual, we are behind the camera. So this is the third Ramadan in Calgary today. So we are here from the heart of Calgary, northeast, and a powerhouse of Canada, Alberta. We are here in northeast, one of the restaurants. There's a lot of restaurants. Yeah, they are offering Iftar buffet, and they have a very good menu. So we thought we're gonna explore today some Iftar buffet, and we're gonna share with you. So today we are here with the Fatima Kadai. They are offering Iftar buffet. They have a pretty good menu. We'll show you the menu inside. So let's go and try their buffet today. So, Tia.
Hello everyone, Ramadan Kareem, and enjoy the Iftar with us. So don't go anywhere. So let's go.
Meet you in a bit. Okay. So let's go. So we have here a Ramadan space. You guys can come in and take a picture. So it's looking very nice. And see that? You can sit here, enjoy the stage, have the pictures. Right? It's very good. Very nice ambience actually. Buffet is not ready yet because of not time. So we just came a little bit early to make some videos. So it's very nice. It's very nice. It's a dark and gold, environment. So it's very good. So we're gonna meet you there, and we're gonna have the buffets ready. Pretty much buffet is ready. So we are waiting for the naan. So the first dish is chow mein. I think it's chicken chow mein. And the next one is chicken biryani. Oh wow. So fragrant, guys. So beautiful. The next dish is dal mash. It's a lentil, and also it's a beef with the spinach. The next one is beef with the spinach. Looking so beautiful. And this is chicken kadai. Wow, pretty much tempting. Okay, then we have beef kebab masala. So basically it's a seekh kebab. They grill it. Yeah, grill it and then they cook it with the gravy. So tempting. Chicken tikka. Here you go. Everybody's favorite, guys. Chicken tikka. It's so good, very fresh. Here we have some snacks.
Veggie pakoda and samosas.
Yeah, so there's samosas, those are the veggie pakoras. Looking so good.
Chana papri chaat.
This is chana papri chaat. We have some salad, some chutney, and they're gonna bring the chai as well. And we already have the ruh afza on our table.
And we have ruh afza on the table.
So guys, 2 minutes to go for sunset. So you see that people are in the queue. So they are making their plates to break their fast. So I'm gonna go and pick up some dishes for you, and we're gonna share with you. Okay? So. Okay guys, so there are a lot of dishes, so we brought in some snacks first. So this is chaat papri. This is basically chickpeas, potatoes, some crackers, chaat papri, and mixed with the chutney. We got some samosas, we got some pakoras and some barbecue as well. But this is a kind of a traditional drink in South Asia. It's called ruh afza. It's a red color refreshing drink. It's mixed with sugar and other ingredients as well. So usually in South Asia, we take this drink with to break our fast. So Bismillah. So we're gonna break fast with the dates because they're very energetic and give you instant energy. Yeah. It's very good. And then I'm going to take some ruh afza drink. very refreshing. It's a very fragrant, very refreshing drink. Then I have a two type of chutney. I think this is the mint chutney or coriander maybe, and this is some maybe
Plum
tamarind or plum sauce. I don't know. So, which one you like to try first?
Traditional samosas and
Samosas?
pakoras.
So let's try samosas. Those are a little bit soggy actually. You see that? There's some veggie, chickpeas, potatoes as usual. Little bit soggy, oily. But it's not bad, it's okay. I'm gonna try without the chutney first. It's okay, not bad. It's fun, but I'm gonna try with the chutney. We'll see how it's gonna enhance its taste. And the yoga chutney, I'm gonna try the other chutney. This is a sweet or sour type of chutney, ma'am. Very traditional. So let's take a pakora. There are onions, chickpeas, powder, and deep fry. So let me try this base taste. Yeah, typical pakora. Not bad. If we try with the mint chutney. Good.
And what's about the chaat?
Let's try chaat. So potato, cracker, chickpeas, and some green chutney on it. So I'm gonna take one each of the platter, chickpea, chutney, cracker, and potato as well. Oh, it's a very, very huge potato, man. Not bad. It's okay. That's fine. But we should put this chutney on the chart and then try it again. That's better. Yeah. Very good. So they have the barbecue chicken. It's grilled and seem like it's a tandoori chicken, right?
Yep.
Yeah, not bad though. So I'm gonna try without naan. Very good, not bad. Awesome. So I'm gonna meet with some other dishes with you guys. Hey guys, so I got biryani. It's a chicken biryani. Pretty good. Big pieces. I got some salad as well. Seemed like the texture seemed like a typical biryani. You see that? Okay. So I'm gonna taste first just biryani rice. I'll see how it is. Then I'll take one more spoon with the chicken as well, right? I got plums in my mouth. That was plum. Yeah. So you see that? This is a plum as well. Chicken. I'm gonna take one spoon with the chicken. Chicken is pretty tender actually. Yeah, you see that? But seems like a little bit dry. You know, like when you come in the buffet. So buffet always lists dishes like that, right? Because they keep it on heat. Slowly they steam out, and moisturizer is gone. So then you have a bit of like that dry chicken or dry biryani. But it's okay, not bad. So I'm gonna try with the chicken. Not bad, it's okay. Yeah, thank you very much. So we are started the sweet lassi. They sprinkle a lot of some ornaments on it. So looking very, very tasty. So let me try that. Very refreshing. Very good, guys. This go very good with the iftar, guys. Very good. So I'll meet you with some other dishes. I'm gonna review some of their main course dishes. So let's try some of. This is actually beef palak. I'm gonna try this one. Okay. Then I'm gonna try this chicken curry. I'm gonna try this as well. Right. I'm gonna take a little bit for all of the main course. So this is kebab, beef kebab masala. I'm gonna take a couple of bites of those. Okay. And what else?
That's it.
That's it. So actually I'm gonna take some lentil as well.
Dal mash.
Yeah. So now wash. We'll take some green chili. And we're gonna try one of the table. Okay, so let's start with the kebab masala. So they are basically seed kebabs. Look at that. And with a very thick gravy, they have some ginger as well on it. Julian cut ginger. Look at that, guys. So let's taste this bite. I think so. They put a lot of yogurt in it. It's close to, excuse me, close to chicken mutton fry. There's a lot of yogurt and kebab are spicy. So let's move forward. This is chicken kadai. So I'm gonna try chicken kadai. It's also with the thick gravy. Look at that. The chicken is pretty much tender. So let's taste this one. How it is. Mild. So chicken fry is mild. This is a little bit cheeky, like spicy. So let's move on one of my favorite dish, palak spinach beef. So I'm not sure what it is. I'm gonna take some piece of a meat. You see that? It's a red meat. And then I'm going to take some spinach and we'll try that. This is good. Palak gosh, spinach with the beef, always my best dish, all the time. This cut the number, man. This is the number one. Okay, so the last one, dal mash, like the lentils. So I'm gonna take a green chili. There's also julienne cut ginger. I'm gonna take that as well. And we're gonna try this. This is nice as well. But if I'm gonna grade on the taste, so spinach and beef is number one. It's very good. So we'll read you some of the desserts. Yeah, folks, so it's a dessert time. So already just finished of the buffet. So a couple of type of desserts. This is a rice pudding. We're gonna try in a bit, and those are the gulab jamun. Those are Asian, South Asian sweet. So I'm gonna try with the pudding, rice pudding. It's very thick. it's supposed to be like that. The texture is looking very good. The texture is like they cook well. That kind of pinkish type texture. It means it's cooked pretty well. So, ready, dear? Okay,
Yep.
I'm gonna try this dessert. It's more towards rubbery. It's rice pudding, but they put it some vanilla, cardamom, and some other spices. It's very thick. It's very creamy as well. So it's very good. So I'm gonna jump on the gulab jamun. They should be soft, and they are actually soft. I put some sugar syrup on it as well. You see that? So it's look like if it is soft in the core of the gulab jamun, so it means it's good. So I'm gonna try this. Good, very traditional, very traditional. So it's very good. So I'm gonna meet you there. So guys, so thank you very much for watching us. So now we are taking our tea, so the tea time as well. So thank you very much for watching us and supporting us over the years and years. And we need your support and help. Please subscribe our channel, share with your family and friends. And thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed this our Iftar buffet and Ramadan cream. And Dia,
Thanks for watching.
see you in another flavor vlog soon.